So there are quite a few payment plans, as you saw earlier, and each plan has different levels of functionality. If you want more than one user for Hootsuite, then you have to have the team package, because the professional package, while it gives you access to some other functionality, you still only have one user. If you haven't signed up for the free version, you can try a paid version for 30 days free. So you just go onto the website, I think we've got the URL in an earlier slide, and click free 30-day trial. At the end of your trial, billing will automatically begin. So you have to remember, if you decide not to go ahead and have the paid for version, that you need to downgrade or cancel. So you can downgrade from the paid to the free, but you need to do that before your trial ends to avoid being charged. So when you sign up for your trial, you will have to put your billing information in to Hootsuite, otherwise you can't have your free trial. So again, standard sign up process, and as I said, make sure you cancel, otherwise you'll be charged. Now, we talked about the non-profit discount. Hootsuite offers, they call it registered non-profit organisations. You don't have to be a charity, you just have to prove that you're a non-profit. To apply for the non-profit discount, visit this page, and as I said, we'll send out the slide. You'll be able to click on the link and you'll get to a page that says non-profit discount application. You just click on apply now. Then again, fill in a form about what your organisation's status is, where you're based, what you do, and click on apply now. So this pop-up will come and you'll get an email confirmation from Hootsuite saying, thank you for your application. We aim to process it within the next working week. When your application is accepted, you'll get an email like this. Your application has been approved. And then what it means is on your billing page, you will only be billed for half the price that you see. So what do you get to in the team plan that you don't have in the free plan? As I said, you get 3 users. You can have a custom branded URL and tracking via Google Analytics, which we'll talk about very quickly. You can have a vanity URL again, which we'll talk about. But I think some of the key things you can have are a social inbox. So for managing all of your social media, comments, questions, messaging in one place. And you can have access to analytics and report templates and customized reports. So I think it's really 4, 5 and 6 that are the most useful, and the 3 users if you've got more than one person managing your social media.